back, it's Shelby. Today I want to show you a fun, quick way I use to kind of change up my outfits. It only requires a few items. I'll link them down in the description along with my socials as always. Please like and subscribe if you do like the video, and we'll get right into it. So we're going to start with just a clear purse. It's got like the foam in there, but I love clear bags. I always have. I feel like this is something you either love or you hate. I liked them in middle school, I liked them in high school, I liked them in college. I still think they're adorable. Every time I see them in the store, I'm just like, oh, I need one. Then I'm like, no, I don't need one. I've got like 20 gazillion of them at home. But they are fun, so I did pick up a new one because they do tend to get beat up a little bit for this video. And first thing I want to do is take off the kind of weird holographic tab thing to pull it. This one just kind of slides out. You could also cut it out. And what I'm going to do is add a keychain so that I still have an easy way to open and close it, but that it's not super huge. I do use these clear bags for travel a lot. They're perfect for like putting in your, you know, the 3-1-1 rule with the little liquid. So they're great for that. I also like them as like a daily clutch because they're cute, they're square, they kind of fit perfectly in the hand. They'll fit your cell phone, they'll fit your items. They're water resistant because they're plastic. So if you're going to the beach or the lake or something like that, they're perfect. But I do want to make it a little bit cuter without like, you know, a giant thing on the end. So I just chose a cute little keychain that I have. That was actually a gift from some friends who went to Europe. So it's perfect because it's got multi-colors on it. So that's what I'm going for. You can see it like the different colors because I'm going to be doing a few different colors with this bag. I just want something that I don't have to change out that will accommodate a couple different colors. So you can really use any keychain you want. You could even leave the tab on there if you want, but I'm basically just hooking it on and screwing it up. This one is like a screw clasp, so it's actually pretty secure, which I like. So now I just have like a very small, discreet way of grabbing the bag and opening and closing it real quickly, so that's what we're going for. Step 2 is making the clear part not clear, which is great because it's a really easy way to change out the overall look of the bag and make it coordinate with your outfit and the event for the day without actually having to buy a new bag or coordinate your bag. You can keep everything in there, just take it out, throw it back in, and it's a really fast, easy way to change up a look, change up a mood. It's fantastic, so we're gonna do that. So the first thing I did was print out a bunch of pictures that I wanted to use just on normal 11 by 8.5 paper. And what I did was I put a little space in between them. So you can see I've got, well, the first one I did was Paris, and then it's got like a little blank space and then an upside down Eiffel Tower, and that just makes it easier for putting it in the bag and having it upright on both sides, because if they're both upright on one sheet and you turn it, then it's upside down. So that was the basic gist of that. And then you're gonna need just like a basic clear folder thing that you put in a 3-ring binder. You can get these at any office supply store, you can get them online, you can get them at, you know, just your local store, just basically in the school supply section. And what you're gonna wanna do is cut the pictures and cut the folder until it will fit in your bag. I really just trimmed it along the sides, and then the cut folder, all I did was trim off the part with the 3 holes. So it opens down here at the top, and this part's still sealed and this part's still sealed. And all I'm going to do is put my picture into the folder. And this is great for a couple reasons. First of all, it makes it really easy to put in and out of the bag. The paper's not going to catch or crumple or get damp or anything, or if you put something sharp in there, it's not going to poke through the plastic the way it would tear through the paper. It also helps keep its shape, and basically just fold it in half and stick it in the bag. Just like this. And now your bag is no longer see-through. So if you do have stuff in there you don't want people to see, it's just a cute little bag. Like, look at that, that's adorable. And I have a couple different ones I want to show you, but this is a great way just to easily, I mean, how fast was that? That was like 30 seconds. Change up your look entirely. So now if I was going to Paris, it's perfect. It's just like a fun little bag. It's great for travel, it's great for toiletries, it's great just to grab on the go, but I want to show you a few different variations that I love. Up first is Paris. You have the Eiffel Tower on one side and a vintage looking Paris postcard on the other. The next look is perfect for an art gallery or museum. It's stained glass on both sides, just different images of different ones. The next one is so colorful, so fun. It's kind of a carnival scene, kind of a fantasy castle on one side. The next look is what I love to do to travel. It's clear, you can see all of your liquids inside for the TSA, but then you flip it over and you've got your sassy little message. So love that. Totally think it's hilarious every time I do it. I have some Paris postcards. As Audrey said, Paris is always a good idea, so I don't mind doubling up on those. They're super cute, super pretty. Love this look. Bringing in some nostalgia with some vintage Ferris wheels, and then finishing off the collection with some garden florals, just pretty light colors. Love those. Alright guys, that's it. So this is a fun, easy way to change up your look. It's fully protected inside. You can put stuff in there, nothing's going to happen to it, or you can just take it out and have an easy plastic bag. But as fast as you can just pull that out and put another one in, you've got a brand new look. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing, and I'll see you soon. Bye.